How would your face stand up to a shave without water? With smoothex shave cream and smoothex perma-sharp blades, it's possible. Because smoothex contains 3 special beard softeners that work right into your face and really prepare it for the friction-free cutting edge of a smoothex perma-sharp blade. It's super stainless. So, if it's possible to shave without water using smoothex shave cream and smoothex perma-sharp blades, imagine what a normal shave would be like. Just about the greatest thing that ever happened to your face.